Today, I'm going to show you a one pan recipe, high protein, low carb, and gluten free, made with the Meyer Induction Hob. A little secret hack. The reason I use parchment paper is so that the skin doesn't stick and you have an even crispy layer just like that. Meyer Hybrid Hob is compatible with all flat base pots and pans. It also has a boost and countdown timer function. It's locked. So with the auto lock function, it holds the temperature, and if anyone accidentally touches it, it wouldn't change anything. Oh! Look what you have done. But thankfully, due to Meyer's safety function, it will automatically stop the cooking and lock the induction stove. And now, it is time to serve. Reminds me of being by the Mediterranean Sea together with the fishermen. Anyway, if you would like to see more quick and healthy recipes like this, do let me know in the comment. For more information on Meyer products, click on the link below. Bye bye. I like using induction stove because it's so easy to clean. Look at that.